Wait, who changed the Wi-Fi password? I was just online.
It said too many devices connected at once. We only have 4 phones, right?
And your smart fridge, TV, watch, what else? Even my light bulb is online now.
It streams brighter content than your TV.
Wait, what?
Seriously?
He's not wrong.
My phone is at 1%. Don't let it die!
The fridge is winning, and it's not even trying. I live with traitors, digital traitors. My own Wi-Fi is turned against me.